Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Biglots. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in biglots.com/corporate/associates and press enter. You will now be taken into the Biglots employee self-service page. Now from this page, just click on your appropriate login portal and now you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in your employee ID number within the ID number box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. After entering both of these credentials, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Biglots employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Biglots employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.